I remember a pigtail smile in the second grade, a memory in the back of my mind that didn't fade. Fast forward 10 years to the campus hall. I saw you leaning there against the brick wall. The world felt small, like a circle complete, but my heart skipped a heavy, uncertain beat. Saw you again by the library steps. Felt like no time had passed in quiet breaths. I tried to rearrange the stars for your smile, but never knew if you were staying a while. So I walked away to find my peace of mind. To hear you laugh, tracing the lines of a blurred photograph. I'd bring you coffee when the finals got late.